In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix Cryptbase.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So first is you have to check the system type of your Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Here is your system type. So take note of that and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL and put download. Hit enter. Click on it on the first option. Scroll down and then you have to click the download link depending on the system type of your Windows. So click on download and wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, you have to click on the folder icon and then right click, select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, double click. Scroll down to the System32 folder. So here's the case. If you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYSY 64. Since we are a 64-bit, we need to go to System32. Right-click and then select Paste and click on Replace the file in the destination. After doing so, you have to restart your Windows. So right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. And the next method is to open a browser again. In the search bar, search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link that is corresponding to the system type of your Windows. Okay, and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows. You might also consider to update your Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. And simply click the button right here to update your Windows that comes with the necessary files that your machine needs. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.